Hi, I'm Jonas Werbroek. I work at Zoutman since 2013. I started the company as a supply chain employee and have grown into the role of business analyst. Zoutman is a company who is family owned and committed in the worldwide transition from mine salt to sustainable harvested sea salt. The main struggle at Zoutman when talking about reporting and data analytics was maintaining the data source. Within Zoutman we have a lot of different departments, and each department has his own reports, and everyone uses a different data source. We always get different results by the different departments. Today we use mainly the out-of-the-box solution offered by element61. All departments now use the same report, so when we pose now a question, we always get one answer. It's very clear, it's very user-friendly. The proposed out-of-the-box solution gave us an answer to a lot of KPIs that we already provided in our existing reports. The data came out of separate Excel files, so it costs us a lot of time to report them. Now we integrated the data in our ERP system. It goes straight to the out-of-the-box report, and every day we can see an evolution in KPIs. The first keyword is collaboration. Element61 quickly assessed our needs and proposed the solutions were very effective to us, so all of that leads to a strong and successful partnership. So that's my second word, partnership. Also, we save a lot of time and obviously money as well, because now we don't have to invest in building new reports. We can use our free time to analyze the reports and achieve our strategic goals as a company. I would recommend element61 to other companies because of the fact that they can quickly assess the needs of companies. They have experience, they know when it is better to start from scratch or when they can offer an out-of-the-box report. My conclusion is, with a minimal effort of Zoutman, we get a maximized result by element61.